When constructing a new home with a well, proper grounding and bonding are crucial for electrical safety. This involves several key components. Firstly, two 8-foot ground rods, spaced at least 6 feet apart, shall be driven into the ground to a depth of 8 feet. Secondly, these ground rods must be connected together using a bare copper wire with a minimum size of number 8 AWG. Thirdly, a grounding electrode conductor, or GEC, of the same size as the service entrance conductors should connect the ground rods to the main service panel. This GEC is then attached to the grounding busbar within the panel. In addition to grounding rods, metal well casings require bonding. The metal well casing shall be bonded to the grounding system using a copper conductor with a minimum size of number 6 AWG. This bonding conductor needs to be attached to the well casing near the surface and buried underground, running to the main service panel. Copper water piping also needs to be properly bonded. The copper water piping from the well to the hot water heater shall be bonded to the grounding system using a copper conductor with a minimum size of number 6 AWG. Similar to the well casing, the bonding conductor must be attached to the copper piping near the well and buried underground, extending to the main service panel. When dealing with plastic water piping, direct bonding is not typically required. However, it's a good practice to install a grounding clamp on the incoming water line near the main service panel. This clamp can provide a path for lightning or surge currents to flow to the grounding system, offering an extra layer of protection. There are also some additional bonding recommendations to consider. Firstly, think about bonding any metal gas lines or ductwork to the grounding system. Secondly, if the house has a swimming pool, it's crucial to bond it to the grounding system as well, ensuring safety around the pool area. It's important to remember that electrical codes and regulations can change, so always follow the latest edition of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and any applicable local codes for specific grounding and bonding requirements. It is highly recommended to consult with a licensed electrician to ensure proper installation and compliance with all safety regulations. They can assess the specific situation and provide tailored guidance to meet the needs of the property.